What's up, y'all? I am back again. As you can see by the title, it's gonna be a natural makeup look today. I got nowhere to go, and honestly, I know I'm not the only one that likes to make makeup videos but don't like to take off the makeup afterwards. So first things first, I already did my eyebrows, and I did that because in previous videos, just only like 2 of them that I did makeup tutorials on, I showed y'all how I do my eyebrows. So if you want to go check out how I do my eyebrows, or you want to make a whole separate video on how I do my eyebrows, leave a comment or like, I'm down to do it. Now, first thing I do, if it's natural, I don't wear makeup unless it's on this dark spot on my chin. And for that, I go in with my Pro Conceal LA Girl, and I just go ahead and layer up a little bit on that spot. Now y'all can see them 2 spots right there. Now I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation. Don't know what color this is. Nutmeg. We're gonna go in with nutmeg. We're gonna use this purple beauty blender. It's a little dirty. We're gonna wet it up with my spray bottle because I don't feel like turning this on. And we're not gonna put much on, obviously, because we're not putting foundation on the rest of our face, so we don't want it to look like it's just foundation there. We want it to literally blend so good. So I use that much. I'm just gonna apply it where, basically just in this area now, because it's 2 spots. Blend it down because, like I said in my previous video, mask is for Halloween, not a regular day. So, next step, I'm gonna put this beauty blender down, and we are going to go ahead and pick up some mascara. Now, actually, you know what? Yeah, we're gonna pick up some mascara. I'm using the Revlon Ultimate All-in-One. We're literally just gonna apply. I like to apply to the outer lashes first and then go under on top lashes last. Okay?
I'm ringing up a plug like yo. 50 bad bitties at the door. Shoes in my closet look like
so one of y'all chill girls, hopefully y'all watch my videos. I got one of y'all eyeliners. I thought this is my stick eyeliner, so next game, take this from me. I guess we are gonna use my dramatic elf, but we're gonna do a thinner line of it, so y'all know what the elf eyeliner looks like. We're gonna do a thin line of elf.
Say hey, let me hear you say ho.
Can y'all see that? Didn't even wing it out, legit. Just wanted some eyeliner in my eye. So that, because when I was putting on my mascara, lighting. When I was putting on mascara, I got a little bit of Specs mascara on like the line of my eye, and I just wanted to straighten it out, you get what I'm saying? So it doesn't look like, oh, she put on mascara and she didn't clean it up. So I add a little bit of color to my face. I have this. And I'm going to dip into this shade right here, the darkest pink they have. This is the Panorama Collection by Luxe Makeup Profusion. No, it's the Panorama Collection by Profusion. And these don't really have names, but you know what I'm saying, like, dip it in there. By the way, this is my new brush. I got it for Christmas. I'm just gonna give me some color. Especially since it's winter. I just watched the Eris the Plan video. She puts a little bit right here because, you know, shows that she got a little bit of cold. And then like the tip of your nose is red, which I thought was really cute.
Say hey, let me hear you say ho.
Oh, by the way, I just recently dyed my hair. It's like a purple, and then I got my undercut back. I wanted to show you guys. I don't wear blush on the regular, so this is like definitely a test drive for me. And like without my glasses on, I really like it, so hopefully I like it with my glasses on. Look how cute this is. Like, I've had this for a while, didn't even know this part was there until today. But like, boop, boop, boop. That's so cute. Because it's a natural look, we're gonna go for this color right here. And the oh, by the way, I got this highlight from Forever 21. It's called the Baked Bronzer highlight, I guess. Baked Bronzer highlighter. And I got it from the one in Orlando, the outlet. Got it from there. So take this, my clean highlighter brush. We're not gonna dip much into this. There's literally barely anything on there. We're gonna do one more dip, and then we're just gonna highlight a little bit, cause you know, don't want people to really know we have on makeup. Like, it should be obvious that it's a little bit, but like, it should also be obvious that it's like we have barely any makeup on. This is a nice winter look, honestly, because it's like you don't really want to be popping during winter, because the sun doesn't catch the highlight, and some colors just aren't meant for winter. So rock what you can, girl. Your face is beautiful. Literally, makeup is meant just to enhance your beauty, so you don't need much. Okay, you're cute. Okay, so let me go get my lip balm and I'll be back. The lip balm I use is Lip Care Strawberry Scented / Flavored. Really good lip balm. I literally use it as lip gloss because it has a little shimmer. Because it's not sticky, I like to use it. So honestly, this is the finished look. I feel like I look very clean. Not very trying so hard, but like she's cute. Like she's embracing something. You know what I'm saying? This is the end. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It wasn't planned, but I feel like, you know, I haven't really been uploading recently because I didn't have a phone at the time. But haven't really been uploading recently, and I feel like a lot of people really like my makeup. So why not take advantage of it and put it on my channel? Now, if you guys like my makeup and you feel like your friends are looking for a good natural makeup tutorial that's for the winter, hit me up. Go ahead and share this video, like and subscribe. And if you guys want to see any natural hair videos, because like I just said, I recently dyed and I think it looks pretty bomb, like I'm ready to showcase this thing, go ahead and leave a comment and let me know. I'll see you guys in the